So, good morning mga ka-engineering bodies, no? So, I think kaya pwede na nating i-last problem to for the age problem, no? To recall lang, ito yung mga na-solve nating problem. Yan. So, tara, sagot na natin tong last problem natin for age problem. The sum of the parents' age is twice the sum of their children's ages. 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' age is 4 times the sum of their children's ages. In 15 years, the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of their children's ages. How many were in the family? How many children were in the family? So, ito yung binabanggit ko sa inyo na hinahanap kung ilan yung anak nila. So, I think kita naman yung problem. Let's make it small so that may space tayo sa solution natin. Okay. So, same pa rin naman. Mag-ano pa rin tayo. Table. Siguro kahit dito na lang. So, yung parents, P, children, C. Tapos, past, present, future, then alam natin na yung parents is 2, P, children is C, yan ilet natin. Tapos may nabanggit na 5 years ago, so lagyan na natin dito. As in 15 years, so merong future. So yan na yung table of representation natin. Next, statement. Ano masabi sa problem? The sum of the parents' ages is twice the sum of their children's ages. So, the sum of parents' ages. So, yung P pala, let P be the sum of parents' ages, ano? Then, yung C, sum ng children's ages. Tapos, mamaya mag-let pa tayo ng isang variable, pero mag-let na rin tayo. So, let X be the number of children. So, statement 1, sum ng parents' ages daw. So, P is equal sa sum ng children's ages. So, 2C. So, may equation 1 na tayo. Okay? Equation statement 2. Five years ago, the sum of the parents' ages is 4 times the sum of their children's ages. So, 5 years ago. So, ito yun. No? So, yung P minus 5 daw is equal siya sa 4 times. Sum of the parents' ages is 4 times the sum of the children's ages. So, 4C. Mali. C minus 5. Or C minus 5. Pero may twist yan Pag gantong, di naman natin sure kung ilan talaga yung number of children, di ba? Saan natin ilalagay yung X? Di ba alam natin ang parents natin, dalawa lang. Isang nanay, isang tatay. Mag times 2 ka dito ngayon. Okay? Yung 2 na yan kasi dalawa yung parents mo. Isang babae, isang lalaki. And then, dito naman, same mo. Lalagay mo naman X. Yun yung number of children. Okay? Ganyan ang gagawin nyo guys kapag ganitong problem nyo na-encounter nyo sa board exam. Kapag hindi nyo alam kung ilan yung children, so maglalagay kayo sa parents, matik dalawa yan. Isang babae, isang lalaki, nanay at tatay. Tapos ilagay mo yung X doon. So to simplify, P minus 10 is equal to 4C minus 20x. So, equation 2. Okay, next. May statement 3 pa tayo. In 15 years, the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of children's ages. So, in 15 years, so yung P plus 15, matik, lagyan mo ulit ng 2 kasi dalawa yung magulang mo, is equal to, magi-equal na daw sila. So, C plus 15x. Okay, so to simplify, P plus 30 is equal to C plus 15x. So, meron tayong 3 equations, 3 unknowns, ano? So, kahit anong mode ng algebra ang gamitin nyo, pwede kayo mag-calculator, substitution, elimination. So, gamitin natin to. Itong sa statement 1, ipalit natin. O kaya, pwede tayong mag-elimination dito sa 2 at 3. So, equation 2 and 3. 4c minus 20x minus p plus 10 equals 0. And then dito, sec 3, c plus 15x minus p minus 30 equals 0. Pwede mong gawin hindi ka mag-minus dito. So, ito, negative 10 plus, magiging plus 30. Plus, so 40 to. Ito makakancel. Tama ba, guys? Okay. Simplify pa natin na mas todo pa to siguro para mas madali. Ito, kapag sinimplify pa to, pwede siyang maging P minus 10. Okay, ipalit mo na to para matanggal na tong ipalit mo na tong P minus 2C. Pag pinalit mo yan, magiging 2C. Minus 10, palitan natin, minus 4C plus 20x equals 0. So, magiging 4C. So, negative 2C minus 10 plus 20x equals 0. Then, dito palit mo din. Two C plus 30 is equal minus C plus 15x equals 0. So, magiging C plus 15x plus 30 equals 0. So, meron ka na 2 equations, 2 unknowns mo, no? Ito yung equation 2, equation 3. Gamitin natin itong famous nating calculator. Ayan. Dito na natin sa kabilang side. Alpha mode. Meron ba siyang linear? Okay, solve system equations. Two equations, two unknowns. So, sa una, -2, tapos 20x, +10. Next, 1, 15, -30. Answer. Ano siya naging empty? Solve. Yun. Parang may mali tayo. Tama to, -2c -10 plus 20 tapos 2c plus 30. Ay, okay, mali. Ito pala maging 15x pala to kasi inilipat mo eh. Sorry guys. Ito lagi nyo i-check guys yung paglipat-lipat nyo nung ano, kapag magta-transpose lagi may magpapalit ng okay, so ulitin natin. Ito ay ulit, -2, 20, +10 kasi inilipat na siya. Titignan nyo yung form na to guys and then 1, -15, -30. There we go, solve. 45, 5. So, meron tayong yung x natin, yan. So, ano ba tong C? Diba yung si sum ng, bali ito pala yung sum ng children's ages. Pero ito yung kailangan natin, yung x, yung number of children. So, yung 5 pala, yung number of children. So, yun yung sagot natin, guys. Pero kapag tinanong, what is the sum of the children's age? Ito yung sasagot nyo, yung 45. Kaso ang tinatanong kasi, yung number ng children, yan ang nilet natin kanina. Let x be the number of children. So, 5. So, sa choices, ito siya. So, ganyan lang siya sinasolve, guys. Okay, gamit yung pinakamalakasan nating cycle. Okay, yan ang sagot natin. Itong 5 na to. So, ayun, I hope this helps sa age problem. No? May mga lumalabas pa rin na ganito sa board exam. Actually, hindi naman siya ganun talaga ka-complicated. Actually, nung una talaga din, medyo hirap din ako sa pag-solve nito. But, tama analyzation lang. Then, malaking tulong talaga itong gumagawa ka ng table of representation. Then, by statements para di kang malilito. Then, kapag tinatanong yung mga bilang nung lagi ka lang ita-times mo dito. So, part. Yan. Okay? So, for more videos, no, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future ko pang gagawing engineering tutorials. So, good luck, engineers!